Hi, welcome to Marketing Minds, the series where we get inside the strategies that made healthcare's biggest brands legendary. Every episode, one brand, one breakthrough campaign, and exactly what you can take from it. Today's episode: why did pharma's biggest brands trust Veeva to fix their HCP engagement problem? Founded in 2007 with $3.2 billion in revenue, Veeva is trusted by every single one of the top 20 global biopharma companies. But Veeva did not start as a data company or an AI company. It started with one observation: pharma's commercial teams were running their entire HCP engagement operation on software that was never built for healthcare. Generic CRMs, disconnected databases. Systems that could log a contact, but could not tell a rep which physician to visit, what to say, or whether any of it was working. Veeva saw that gap and built the infrastructure to close it. The starting point was the commercial rep. Before Veeva, a rep had their CRM data, marketing had their campaign data, medical affairs had their own records. 3 teams, 3 systems, no shared view. Vault CRM changed that, bringing every HCP interaction across sales, marketing, and medical into one connected platform. For the first time, a commercial team could see not just what had happened in the last meeting, but what should happen next. That next best action intelligence, built on real-world prescribing data, channel behavior, and engagement history, started telling reps which physician to engage, when to reach out, through which channel, and with what content. And in December 2025, Veeva launched AI agents directly inside Vault CRM, a pre-call agent that surfaces each HCP's recent interactions and the most relevant content before the rep walks in. A free text agent that captures the nuance of a real conversation, compliantly, the kind of qualitative insight that a tick box has never been able to record. Early adopters include Moderna and Bristol Myers Squibb. More than 100 pharma customers are now live on Vault CRM, including Bayer, GSK, and Idorsia. Veeva's own data tells a striking story about how much is still being left on the table. Content-driven HCP engagement more than doubles treatment adoption. 48% share of HCP meetings where field teams actually use content, despite that 2 times impact. 65% of all HCP engagements remain unsynchronized across sales and marketing. The platform exists, the data exists, the execution gap is still there. The lesson from Veeva is not about software. It is about what happens when you give a commercial team a connected view of the physician they are trying to reach. Veeva did not change how pharma thinks about HCPs. It changed what pharma could know about them and what it could do with that knowledge. The gap between knowing and doing is still where most of the value is being left on the table. That is the HCP engagement opportunity that still exists for every commercial team willing to close it.